right here. If this can't move anymore on this candle, I don't want it. Then I wait again to see if it'll break through the channel. Here we go. Start to make that move. I need this candle to be taller than the previous candle. Break and hold, and you're going to have a big move. I'm going to enter it, and you said it was a 50 cents. Close, order entry, trailing stop right here. I'll make this 0.5 cents. Stop limit set, just like that. That's how you set a trailing stop. Everybody see that?
Yes, sir.
Now that covers my butt. So that's 50 cent protection on 1,000 shares, which is up to $500. That's the risk I'm taking to enter Tesla at this level. Now you see how this is pulled below? I don't like this move. See how it's below now? It broke below 160, 124.
Definitely bouncing off that 200.
Yep. So I don't like this move anymore. But I've got my trailing stop in place. I'll let it play out. You never know. Could have a big pop, but I don't like it. And this is most likely going to pull back on me. That's okay. That's what we use it for. Notice for the other 150, I didn't pull out of this, right? Because I could pull out now and save 150, right, Mitch?
Yes, sir.
The flip side of that coin, though, for 150 risk, this could skyrocket because it's still in this range. I would rather lose 150. You see it?
There it is.
I would rather lose the 150 here for the opportunity because I'm still close for this to actually pop the way it was supposed to. Because this was trending to the upside, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is the risk we have to know when we go in and what we're doing with it. This is where you can't get all scared and run. That's not the play.
Weird money don't make money.
Absolutely.
I'm on Tesla.
And it has to be smart, right? We got to be smart about it. So it hit 160, 150. So now I have, if this pulls down to 160, it will sell off. There it goes. There's new high. Now it can pull all the way back to 161 and 11 cents, which means I'll only lose 26 cents on this trade now if it pulls back. Do you see what I'm saying? But I still have skin in the game, Mitch. I can still let it run.
Absolutely.
Right there, it moved up more. It's making higher highs. Now it's above the 200. See if it can hold. If not, the higher it goes, the less risk I'm in, which is awesome. There it goes, 178. So now this is a free trade. That's a completely free trade to me right there, Mitch.
Yes, sir.
That pulls back 50 cents. I didn't pay a penny. Does everybody see how that works?
Yes, sir.
Just like that.